My name is Rick Dulai. I am a real estate broker, investor, and entrepreneur. In 2011, I partnered up with my broker, Chuck Cascioni, and started a real estate investment company called Powerhouse Properties. Over the years, we flipped dozens and dozens of homes all over Michigan, a few in Florida, and a couple other states. Chuck and I decided to turn the cameras on and give you guys a glimpse of exactly how we flip houses. Take a look at that. Oh, look at how, yeah, I see that.
Yeah.
But so that's all. That's
Yeah,
probably
this is
the-
all gonna have to be redone anyhow.
Oh no, we're getting rid of, this is all coming out, but, so where should we take it back to? Just,
Well, as far as this is concerned,
Yeah.
I'd get rid of this whole section.
That whole
You see
section.
all this right here?
Yep,
There's
yep.
a good chance there was a leak coming right from this T,
Yeah,
and that's
that's
what
why-
all that is. Yep.
Okay.
I mean, that's a free split. No
Right,
question.
that's
The ice
free,
got in
yeah.
there. But there was definitely something going on with this fitting
Right.
to create all this calcification on there.
So the landscaping is finally coming together. Curb appeal is the most critical thing when trying to sell a house. First, we had root tree services come out and cut down all the big trees, the overgrown bushes and shrubs, and grind down all the big stumps. And then L&B Landscape came in behind them and cleaned up all of the leftover shrubs and debris and ripped out all the small roots and everything and basically graded the yard. They also planted some bushes for us and put down some mulch to really bring out that curb appeal. They also built us a new deck and a new paver patio outside the family room. The place is looking great already, and we've already received numerous compliments from the neighbors who are loving what we're doing there. The next steps are we got to get the plumber in to rearrange all the plumbing for our master bathroom since we got a brand new layout there. And the electricians are there already doing various repairs. They had to bust open some of the drywall in order to run some of the wires. But now we got some recessed lights in the kitchen. We've repaired various wires that have been chewed through by rodents over the years. And we're also going to replace the electrical panel. It's old and outdated and not big enough for what we're trying to do. Things are really coming together. We're on track. We're at about the 2-week mark here. I really think everybody's going to be amazed when you see the before and after pictures of this project.